Local versus global. Okay. So I'm going to edit this polygon. Oops. I'm going to edit this polygon block real quick. And I'm going to show you something that happens. So let's say, for whatever reason, I wanted to, oh, I know. Let's say I wanted to, instead of moving 100 steps, I wanted to move half of whatever this is. So like if I changed this length, then this would change as well. So I could do something like 200 divided, 200 divided by 2, right? That would be half of that. Then I'm like, well, then I still have to type in 200 and 200. Can't I just use this length variable here? But no, I cannot, because this is what's called a local variable. Sides and length are local variables. They only exist inside the block. So I can't use sides outside the block, and I can't use length outside the block. If I try to do that, it gives me an error. Oh, I'll try not to move my mouse. It gives me an error that says a variable of name length does not exist in this context. So it doesn't know what length is because length only exists inside the block. If you need a variable that stays around and you can use in different sprites and you can use in different places in your script, you can do what's called a global variable, and that is in variables. If you say make a variable, you can give it a name, and I could say, usually we try not to give variables the same name. So I could be like, my length, or something like that. Or I could do size or something. And now that variable I could use, get out of here. I could use in both places. I could be, okay, I want that to be here, and I want that to be here. And then I'm going to set the value of that variable, my length, at the beginning to be 200. Here. So now if I run this, somehow I don't really understand what's going on there. My circle is off a little bit. So really I need this minus something, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so that's local variables versus global variables.